Hello friends, I am Shivkumar CS. Welcome to Vasanta Academy online study channel for BCom and BBS students. In the last video, I explained various provision on taxable income from business. This is my 9th video. In this video, I am going to explain computation of taxable income from business by solving a problem. This is an example problem. This is the format for taxable income from business. Let's read the problem first. Shri Govinda, age 55 years, is a resident of Mumbai, submits the following particulars and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2019. Opening stock, purchase, wages, GP, advertisement, salary, audit fees, bad debts, reserve for bad debts, general expenses, municipal tax, fire insurance, premium, depreciation, patent, staff welfare fund, employees, RPF, GST, donation, premium, net profit, sales, closing stock, GP, net commission, and the gross profit is 20 lakh 10,000 and net profit as per profit and loss account is 4 lakh 16,000. First I mark this as profit and loss account. By reading this problem, I also read adjustment, opening stock and closing stock overvalued, advertisement expenses 1 lakh being cost of permanent signboard, business income of rupees 70,000 was not recorded in profit and loss account, general expenses 50,000 paid for securing business, depreciation allowable, all assets including signboard but patent excluding 90,000. Patent was acquired on 10/11/2018. Depreciation was 25%. Ten, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Patent is purchase less than 6 months. Then the depreciation provided is 12.5%. Okay. Let us start with. Now I am going to give treatment for various items. In the debit side of the profit and loss account, I marked as disallowed and allowed expenses, and in the credit side I marked as allowed income. Here first I am going to solve opening stock and closing stock. In the adjustment as given, opening stock and closing stock were overvalued by 10%. ಅಂದರೆ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಓವರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ಓವರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಡೆಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ನೆಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಓವರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಡಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ನೆಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್. Here I also explain you how to calculate the opening stock. How much is the opening stock? The opening stock is 1,10,000. Over 10% over valuation, it is equal to 110% is equal to 10%. Yes, the over valuation of opening stock is 10,000 is disallowed expenses. Then how to calculate the closing stock? The closing stock is 2,20,000 divided by 110 into 10%. Then the 20,000 is over valuation of closing stock is deducted from the net profit. Therefore I marked as A. Let us start with one by one. Where is our admissible expenses here? Advertisement is a admissible expenses, business expenses. Then salary to staff is admissible expenses. Govinda's salary disallowed expenses because proprietor salary is a disallowed expenses. Audit fees is allowed expenses. Bad debts is allowed expenses. Reserve for bad debts is disallowed expenses. General expenses is allowed expenses. Municipal tax is also disallowed expenses. Fire insurance premium on goods is allowed expenses. Depreciation allowed expenses. Patent right purchase, whenever the patent right purchase, capital expenditure is disallowed expenses but depreciation is allowable. Staff welfare fund is disallowed expenses. Employees contribution to RPF is allowed expenses. GST, they are not mentioned before the filing or after the filing return. Let us assume it is before the filing returns. It is allowed expenses. Donation to NDF disallowed expenses. Premium on Govinda's life insurance is disallowed expenses. Then rent received, it means rent received from the house property, then it is allowed expenses, but it is not related to business income. Commission received is a business income, and bad debts recovered is a business income, and dividend on SRM limited shares gross is allowed expenses. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನೀಗೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದ್ಯಾವುದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪರ್ಸ್ನಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸಲೋಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇನ್ಕಮು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಪರ್ಸ್ನಲ್ ಇನ್ಕಮು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರೀ ಪರ್ಸ್ನಲ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ಸ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅಲೋಡ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ give treatment for adjustment. Opening stock and closing stock of were overvalued. Already I given treatment add and less. Advertisement expenses including 10,000 being a purchase of signboard. Yes, advertisement expenses is admissible expense, business expenses, but now it is a disallowed expenses. I put a star mark. Whenever there is adjustment, I put a star mark for that. Then the 1 lakh is admissible, is a business advertisement, and another 1 lakh is purchase of signboard, is you have to add and less. Less is depreciation, add is purchase of signboard. What is the depreciation rate for signboard? 10%. How much? 10% I give depreciation. Next, business income 70,000 was not recorded in profit and loss account. Business income whenever is not recorded in profit and loss account, the gross profit is understated. In order to correct this, we have to add this 70,000 business income to net profit. Next, general expenses including 50,000 paid for securing a business order, for 60,000 spent for Govinda's birthday. General expenses is a business expenses is allowed. Now it is disallowed. 60,000 is disallowed. Remaining 50,000 is for business expenses, and another 2 lakh out of the 2 lakh 60 is disallowed. Another 1 lakh 40 is also allowed expenses. Next, depreciation allowable all patent including signboard. See, whether this transaction is not given, I will claim 10% depreciation on signboard, but is already given. How much of depreciation we have to give? 90,000 including signboard. Okay, I will give that 90,000. Next, patent was purchased, depreciation is 25%. Here see the date, asset is purchased less than 6 months, then the depreciation rate is 12.5%. Okay, let us solve the transaction one by one. Yes, first I will go for opening stock. Opening stock I already told you it is disallowed, and closing stock is allowed 20,000. Okay, let I take opening stock is disallowed. How much? 10,000. Next, closing stock overvaluation. Overvaluation of closing stock is deductible from the net profit. How much is? 20,000. Next, next is opening stock treatment over, closing stock treatment over. Next, advertisement expenses. Advertisement expenses how much? 2 lakh. Out of that 2 lakh already I will going to read once again. 1 lakh being a cost of being purchase of signboard. 1 lakh is allowed. Now 1 lakh purchase of signboard, depreciation is allowed. Let I take purchase of signboard. Yes, purchase of signboard. How much? 1 lakh. 1 lakh. Then you claim the depreciation here. You claim the depreciation here, but I will not. Whether I want to claim depreciation 10,000? No, I not claim 10,000. But in the problem, they given including purchase of signboard, all assets, the depreciation is 90,000. Therefore, I claim 90,000 depreciation. Next, salary to staff admissible. Govinda's salary 1,20,000 is disallowed expenses. Yes, Govinda's salary is 1,20,000 is disallowed expenses. Yes, 1,20,000 disallowed expenses. Next, audit fees is allowed expenses. Bad debts is allowed expenses. Reserve for bad debts is disallowed expenses. Reserve for bad debts is disallowed expenses. How much? Disallowed expenses is 50,000. Next, general expenses 2,50,000. See, general expenses including 50,000 paid for securing the business. Okay, it is considered for business. Out of 2,50,50, okay, 2 lakh. Out of that 2,60,000 is spent for Govinda's birthday. Remaining 1,40,000 is assumed as it is spent for business purpose. Now 60,000 is disallowed expenses. Disallowed expenses for premium on what? Govinda's birthday. I consider this is for premium on no sorry what birthday. How much is the amount here? Premium on Govinda's birthday. Premium on Govinda's birthday is 60,000. Okay, I go for 60,000. Yes sir. Next, okay, municipal tax paid, it disallowed expenses. Yes, municipal tax is disallowed expenses is 24,000 is disallowed expenses. Next, fire insurance premium on goods is allowed expenses. Depreciation is allowed expenses. Patent purchase 1,60,000 is disallowed expenses. Yes, purchase of patent is 1,60,000. Now you have to claim the depreciation on patent. Yes, depreciation on patent. What is the depreciation rate as per Income Tax Act? 25%. In this problem I not give 25%. Why sir, why you not give 25%? The reason is that here the asset is purchased and used less than 6 months, then depreciation rate is off percentage. It means 25% off means 25%. Therefore 1,60,000 into 12.5%. So it will come 20,000 depreciation you have to claim here. Suppose when the date is not given, it is assumed that it is used for more than 180 days, then you can give depreciation, full depreciation of 25%. Next, staff welfare fund is a disallowed expenses 40,000. Staff welfare fund is 40,000. Next is employees contribution to RPF is allowed expenses. GST, whether filing date is not given, I can assumed in this problem is filed before the due date, then it is allowed. Whether in the bracket is given after the due date, then it is disallowed expenses. Donation to NDF. Donation to NDF is a disallowed expenses. How much? 1 lakh rupees is disallowed expenses. Premium on Govinda's life insurance is a disallowed expenses. Premium on Govinda's life insurance is how much? 3,60,000. Sorry, it's not 36,000. Okay, I recorded all entries in debit side. Now I go for credit side. Rent received from house property, it means it's assumed as it is received from the house property, then it is deductible from the net profit. Let's take rent. Rent, how much is rent received? Rent received is 2,40,000. Yes, 2,40,000. Next, bad debts recovered and commission received or business income. Whether allowed and disallowed is not mentioned. It is assumed as already allowed, then it is considered as a business income. Suppose it is disallowed, then you can provide allowed. Dividend on SRM limited shares is income from other sources. then it is not a business income, then it is deductible from the net profit. How much? 30,000. Then you go for adjustments. Let us say opening stock and closing stock is already treated, advertisement is already treated, business income 17,000 was not recorded in profit and loss account. Yes, it is disallowed expenses. You have to pay tax for this. That is what business income. Non-business income is not recorded. Non-business income is not recorded in profit and loss account. How much is the amount? 70,000. Yes, 70,000 you have to record here. Yes, 14 lakh. What is the net profit in the problem? Net profit 4,16,000. 4,16,000 is the net profit as per profit and loss account. Then 55,60,000. How much is the rent received in the problem, students? 2,40,000. Yes, correct. Then general expenses in 50, it is also already treated, therefore I put a star mark for this. Then depreciation allowable, I given depreciation on signboard, and also I given depreciation on patent, and depreciation for patent 11/10/2018. It means it is used less than 6 months, then I provide depreciation is 25% or 12.5%. Yes, so taxable income from business is 51,60,000. Vasant Academy online classes for BCom and BBS students. Please feel free to contact me if you have any doubt. Please ask your doubts in YouTube channel live chat, and my contact number is 99800355. If you want any material, you can comment in Google Classroom. Also, for notification of my videos, please subscribe this channel and press the bell button for notification. Thank you.